Oyilunga le-EFF uthi akakuthokozela ukuthi njalo mangabe uJulius Malema eku-interview amalungu omkhonto wesizwe ahlezi ekhotha izinto ey'ncane ey'shoyo yena uJulius Malema ey'thinta umkhonto wesizwe noma amaZulu. Uthi akaze nakakodwa nje bekhuluma okuhle abakuzwile.
Greetings guys, greetings to everyone. You know, there's an issue here that I think must be addressed before it develops into virus and cancer. There are some MK minions here on TikTok who goes around distorting Malema's message on KZN. Last night, the 14th of January 2025, at 8 p.m., Julius Malema, the CIC of the EFF, had an interview, a sit-down with JJ Tabane. And then JJ Tabane asked a question and said, Julius, let's talk about the deadline of EFF on the national elections 2024. And Julius answered to say, our problem is in KZN. EFF did not decline anywhere in South Africa, but the problem was in KZN. He said, I quote, our problem is KZN. We know where our problem is, and our problem is KZN, because that is where majority of our votes were taken by MKP. In 2014, we did not have numbers we had in 2019. I'm still quoting. But in 2019, people of KZN voted for EFF in big numbers. And now in 2024, that there is a new child on the block originating from KZN. People of KZN voted for MKP, and then that is how we lost our votes. That is what Julius Malema is saying, or has said. So I see some MKP minions here. They want to distort the message again, like they did on last year, when Malema said, after fighting foreigners and say Zimbabweans must go home, the foreigners will go home. And then we are going to fight amongst ourselves. People are going to say the reason we don't have jobs is because of these Zulus. They must go to KZN. Some fools were cutting it right there and not listening, continuing with the video where he says they are going to say the reason we don't have jobs is these Xhosas, they must go to Eastern Cape. The reason we don't have jobs in Gauteng is because of these baddies, these vendors, these Tsongas. They must go back to Limpopo. They only took the KZN part and use it to inflate anger on KZN people. So now they are repeating it. The interview took more than an hour, 1 hour 43 minutes if not mistaken. And somebody comes with a clip of 4 seconds. Just a few seconds, 4 seconds. And then that 4 seconds hurt you so much that you comment to say Malema is hating people of KZN. Guys, try to listen to Julius Malema. Those videos are still new. You just go to your search pattern and type Julius Malema. You will see him with JJ Tabane, and then he will explain, then you will hear the right message. Let us not be distorted by people like Mr. Watuatie. People who can't think, who only want to fuel anger and divisions just for MK to survive, because MK has nothing to offer. Money keeps missing in the MK. People are suspended. People are being removed. People are marching in Gandla. Zuma is complaining about people who are coming to meetings carrying guns, people who are threatening to kill each other, who are threatening to shoot each other. Those informations are not shared with the public. We also don't want to talk about those things because they are not good for a black man. Imagine what will other race say when black people are fighting each other and exposing each other to that level. There are so many issues in the MK, guys. We see them We see those members of MK who are complaining about leaders who are coming from EFF and ANC to come and take position, who are parachuted to positions. And the next thing, they divide MK into MKP1, MKPA, and MKPB. We know about those things, but we cannot be talking about those things on social media. So people of KZN, Malema loves you, we love you in the EFF, and then there is no way, under no circumstance will we ever say things that are going to hurt you. Don't allow small-minded people to use racial division and tribalism to inflate or to direct your voice towards them. They want to benefit by using your anger, and they want to get positions in the KZN in the upcoming election by distorting Malema's messages and inflating anger on you. Thank you. Let us be careful. Whenever you hear you see a clip of 2 seconds, 5 seconds, please run, type, and listen to that video and get the real message. Thank you, guys.